probably one of the hardest things that I've ever had to overcome, which is the criminal justice system.
Guy Felicella knows the debilitating toll the constant run-ins with the law can take on your mental health.
It's relentless and ruthless, and it's never ending, and it puts a target on your back for the rest of your life.
The former drug user turned peer advisor says possession charges led to years of incarceration and shame. He hopes decriminalization will mark an end to a vicious cycle.
Take it from a guy and others that have gone through the prison system many times for just carrying small amounts of substances. To have that not happen, it can really shape you to reach out a lot sooner for support.
Most health experts will agree BC's decriminalization policy has its shortcomings. The threshold is considered too low by many, and it doesn't address the flood of toxic drugs on the street. But there is hope it could indirectly prevent deaths by reducing stigma.
It's a very exciting time because it's an experiment that in Canada we've never done before.
This researcher plans to study how the policy will affect health and social and economic well-being. She says look no further than Portugal, which instituted sweeping decriminalization laws in 2000.
And went from a country that had the highest level of overdose in Europe to a country that had among the lowest. And so we do know that there is potential for real material change that can result from this.
Portugal's program was accompanied by an influx of treatment options. BC's former provincial health officer hopes that will happen here too.
You need to have the whole continuum from harm reduction to safer supply.
Until then, eyes will be on the limited data that rolls in over the coming months to see if decriminalization has any noticeable effect on the alarming number of fatal overdoses.
We'll probably have to wait at least a year to see some of the interim results come out, but I think it'll be watched with interest.
Interest that's been generated from across the world. The policy a symbolic step forward to solving a much larger puzzle. John Hernandez, CBC News, Vancouver.